10 or
15 minutes.
yeah, not far.
Yeah.
You know already?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah. Funny.
Anturai?
The name?
Yeah.
Koh Phangan.
I pay 2.
So we're just booking our tickets. We're going to our next island, which will be Koh Phangan. Christiane is going to say goodbye to this island, and she's already marked. She's going to keep Koh Tao for the rest of her life with a tattoo. And we paid 300 baht per person to go to Koh Phangan.
Cheaper and Koh Tao.
Yes, come and visit this lady. This is in front of the school, isn't it?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Mr. J Bungalow. Mr. J shop.
What's the name?
Mr. J.
Mr.
Mr. J.
Yeah, Mr. J
Yeah.
Bungalow. Come over here, visit this nice lady and book the tickets with her. Cheap, yeah. Yeah, it's really cheap. 300, the best price you'll find in Koh Tao. Last night in Koh Tao, having a shot. A cheers to Koh Tao. Cheers Koh Tao. Gonna grab our shan, watch the fire show. Prost, Prost, Luxembourgish. Saúde in Portuguese.
And this is the name of the club if you are wondering. B&D Beach Club.
Live show, I think every night, so come and visit us.
Yeah. Today is our last night in Koh Tao. We went for a drink, had the opportunity to see some Thai guys doing some
Fire show.
just playing with the fire, and had a beer by the beach, and
Some champagne.
we're gonna pack our stuff to get ready for tomorrow morning. We're gonna leave very early to get the ferry to another island, so that's it for today.
We already got our tickets. Show us, Morgan. There we are. We're going to Koh Phangan. Bye bye. Thank you. And we got our stickers. Okay. Welcome to Koh Phangan. So we arrived here as per usual. We don't have anything booked, and Christiana and Sandra are gonna do that task.
Yeah, we're just gonna find the place, leave our bags. The guys will be relaxing for a few hours while me and Sandra will go looking for something. We always find better deals when we come and when we look ourselves and book, rather than just go on booking.com and book over there.
Because then you can negotiate with them and the prices will be a lot cheaper. But normally it's when it's silent that we do this.
We are desperate, we can't find a place in Koh Phangan. We've been looking for a place since 12:30 and it's now 3:30. Nothing.
So we just taken a taxi to the north part of the island. What's the name?
Koh Tao.
Koh Tao. Yeah, see if we can find anything over there. It's not been easy.
So Sandra and I are looking for a place for the next 8 days. Wish us luck.
We are desperate.
Sandra, tell me.
So, we're looking now for 2 hours for a room, and guess what? We find nothing. We are very tired. It's very hot.
And
we are desperate.
yes, so we're gonna see a lady that we saw before and we're gonna try to negotiate the price. Sandra, look who's there.
2 hours later.
2 hours later we come back with news.
You've been kidnapped or something. By the shark. Who knows? Found something?
We did.
Stay up there first, and then tomorrow before 12, because the people they check out and they have to clean the room,
no problem.
and then you move to the bungalow.
Okay.
And tonight we're gonna stay in a room and tomorrow we're gonna change to a bungalow. So we can spend Sandra's birthday on a bungalow.
Cool. So this is the room for tonight, and then tomorrow bungalow.
And then tomorrow we're gonna go to the bungalows.
Yay! Bathroom, normal bathroom, bang bang, toilet, shower. Yeah, pretty decent. Fan room, and this is the best all the time. View through the mountain and a little bit of the sea. You can see the sea. Today was a very tiring day.
Especially for Sandra and I.
Yeah, that's true. Yeah, today was very tense. But we've settled in. We found a good place to stay for the next week. So make sure, if you haven't, to subscribe to our channel. And we'll see you guys tomorrow to explore this wonderful island. See you guys in the next one. Bye bye.